Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faridzi Tamrin. You can call me Faris. And as you can see in my slide, this is my identity and my title. Yeah. My full name is Muhammad Faridzi Tamrin, and the ID number is 190341621663. I'm from offering C, Department of Biology Education, University of Malang, 2019. Okay, I make this presentation to complete my task for English for biology, and I present a title "Housefly as a bionic drone" that I get from an article in the internet. Okay, let's make a move. Okay, fly. Fly is the small animals that live in this world and always live in near of the others organism such as humans. Yeah, as you can see in the slides, you can see of pictures of flies. There is close-ups, and you can see the wings, the bodies, the legs, the lens, and others. And you can see in the right side, there's an actual size of the flies. Okay. This is the taxonomy of the fly. The kingdom is Animalia. The phylum is Arthropods. The class is Insecta. The order is Diptera. The section is Schizopora. The family is Musidae. The genus is Musa. The species is Musa domestica. Okay. The flies roles as the living things. So many as a living things. We have our own roles in this world, and also the flies. So here the 5 points that I can conclude from the flies' roles. The first, breaking down and recycling organic matter. Yeah, this is the advantage because it can keep the balance of the world, and the trash can be reduced by the flies. The second is as a food source for the another carnivore animals. Yeah, because flies can be eaten by birds, lizards, and etc. The third is to help flower to do pollination. Yeah, flies can help the flowers to do the pollination, but it's just the specific flowers. And the fourth, flies as a vehicle of bacteria. Because flies have an ability to bring the bacteria in their body, or known as microbiome. And the last one is factor of many diseases. Yeah, this is common things in our ears because flies brings a pathogen. And the famous one is diarrhea. Okay. Next, the autonomous bionic drone meanings. Yeah. Okay. An international research teams from Nanyang Technological University from Singapore have proposed that swarms of flies can be used to help monitor the disease outbreak. It shows that the whole communities of bacteria are known as microbiome can hitch a ride on common carrion flies and can be transferred to any surface where the flies land. Next is the beginning of autonomous bionic drone. Okay. So, first, the scientists sequencing the genetic material of 116 houseflies and blowflies. Each of flies carried up to several hundreds of different bacteria. And and with this variety, the scientists can make more results. Okay, and some of them may be harmful to human, or we can call it pathogen. Okay. Next, the bionic drone can be a health warning system. So first, create a germ. So the scientists will create a germ-free flies to capture microbiome in environment. For your information, germ-free flies is a laboratorium flies that don't bring any microorganisms, and it's sterile. So with this, it can monitoring the bacteria in a place. Okay. So after it get back to the laboratorium, the sequence of microbiome can give a clue the bacteria that are encountered by them. After we know what is the disease or what is the pathogen, we can make a move for a treatment. And and also it can be applied for agriculture. Okay. The next is the scientists have found a new way of sequencing the flies. So in this slide you can see the steps. The first is the flies are baited by a piece of rotting fish. That's followed by researchers holding a container with dry ice close to the flies. After the fly is defrosted in a sterile environment, the various parts are separated, crushed, and then put into a gene sequencing machine. And next, it will be filtered the genetic data from the fly's own chromosomes, mitochondria, and symbiotic bacteria. After that, it will be leave the microbiome that can be matched to a database of all known bacteria, DNA and RNA. After we know what kind of the bacteria that we have, we can identify the treatment to counter if there is a pathogen. Okay, that's all from my presentation. Thank you for your attention and time. I'm sorry for my mistake and my speaking. And for your for the further information, you can visit this website and you can learn more. Okay, see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.